what I have right here is a little bricklayer house building kit that was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but of course, it's my own opinion on this very beautiful masterpiece. So this is a structure we're building with the tools and the building supplies. There are 159 long bricks, 21 small bricks, 4-cylinder bricks, and etc., etc.
So basically, you are using the cement right here in order to put the bricks together, right?
Yeah.
So we are on the first floor right now, and we're gonna build the second floor on top. We have already some fences of the garden. What do you think about the experience?
I love this so much, and it teaches me how to build houses with cement and bricks. I really recommend getting it for your children because it's so much fun and it keeps them
Occupied, right?
Yeah.
Not only that, you can have a lot of fun with your family, with your father or with your mother while building. And take a look at those details. Eventually, we have the cement that we are going to pre-mix, right? This is the roofing. This is the balcony fence, and then the fence of the parking area that we have right here. Every detail, eventually, you have to build on your own, eventually using the cement. And still, we have the second floor in order to do so. But so far, so good. We are having fun building a building eventually, a house. The house of a dream?
Yes.
Definitely. So 218 pieces. And of course, an enormous amount of fun for adults and for kids eventually, right?
Yes.
So basically, it's a recommendation from us. Yay!
Bye. Peace out.